A recipe for punch calls for 3 cups apple juice for every 4 cups grape juice. If 16 cups of apple juice were used in the recipe, how many cups of grape juice are needed? So the first thing we want to notice about this problem is that we are comparing two things. We are comparing apple juice and grape juice. So we can set up a ratio of 3 cups of apple juice for every 4 cups of grape juice. So in our numerator, we have our apple juice, and in our denominator, we have our grape juice. Now, we want to set up and complete our proportion. So, since we have apple juice in the numerator on our left side of our proportion, we want to keep apple juice in the numerator on the right side of the proportion for comparing reasons. So, we know that in our recipe, we have 16 cups of apple juice, so the 16 will go in the numerator. However, we are trying to find how many cups of grape juice are needed, and since we don't know that, we'll represent that with our variable x. Now, when solving a proportion, remember that we are going to cross multiply, so we get 3x equals 4 times 16. And if we simplify this a little more, we have 3x equals 64. Now we want to solve for the x, so we want to divide each side by 3. And that leaves us with x equals 21 1/3. And x represented how many cups of grape juice are needed, and that's what we're looking for. So we know that's our final answer, A, 21 1/3 cups.